Velwal, your English educator from APS Lamachar. Dear kids, there is no secret of success. It is the result of your work hard, patience, preparation and the persistence which leads you to success. So my little kids, first of all, I would like to congratulate you for your magnificent achievement in periodic test first. You all have done very well, but few of you, my dear little kids, few of you really need to work very hard. So I hope that you will work hard in this term. So my dear little kids, once again I welcome you all to your English class. So in your English today we will start with our Marigold book, Unit 3, and Unit 3 is, it's a very interesting poem that is My Shadow. Children, tell me one thing, when we are small, okay, when we are small we don't have so much of knowledge, so when we are small, at that time there is one thing which fills our mind and heart with curiosity. Can you tell me what is that thing which fills our mind and heart with curiosity? Yes, of course, my dear children, it's our shadow. So when we are small, we are very much curious about our shadow. हम अपनी shadow you know ना? Shadow means होता है परछाई. So we are very much curious about our shadow, that how it forms, how it works out, how it reach before us. Shadow हमसे भी पहले कैसे पहुंच जाती है. So many questions used to arise in our mind, है ना? So let me tell you, my dear children, shadow कैसे form होती है. Suppose बेटा, from here one bulb is there and light is coming from this side, okay, and in between any obstacle comes. Obstacle here it means any object comes. मान लीजिए ये लाइट है और लाइट के सामने ठीक मैं आ गई हूँ, तो मेरे इस साइड मेरे सामने क्या बनेगी, मेरी शैडो बनेगी. ठीक है. सो वी ऑल लव टू प्ले विद शैडो ना, हमको सबको शैडो के साथ खेलना पसंद है ना. एंड वी लव टू मेक क्रिएचर्स with the fingers, with our fingers. I will show you how the shadow used to form. Even now I can show you. You can see here beta that when we are small, that we used to make this creature, different types of creature with the help of fingers. हम देखिए मैंने अपनी यहाँ इस साइड से लाइट आ रही है and you can see in the blackboard. आप blackboard में देख सकते हैं. If I am moving my hand, even my shadow it is moving. Now I am pointing this hand, so this finger is coming. So अगर मैंने ऐसे कर दिया है, so this type of shadow. So whatever actions I will choose, similarly my shadow will also move like that. If I will make creature this figure like this, अगर मैंने ऐसे बनाया तो मेरी shadow में भी ऐसा ही आएगा. So whatever creature we will make with the fingers, same will be our shadow. Okay, our shadow will not be different from us. जैसा हम बनाएंगे figure वैसे ही हमारी shadow हमें represent करेगी. Okay, and my dear children, I hope that you all must have seen your shadow also, है ना? Many times we have done experiment with candles also in your science. You all must have done experiment with the candle. आपने candle के साथ भी experiment किया होगा shadow का, and sometime you all must have done with lights भी करा होगा, and it all is so interesting, isn't it? My dear children, this poem, My Shadow, it's a poem about a little boy who is very much excited and thrilled by his own shadow, and he is very much curious to know something more related to his shadow only. And the child is curious and wonder how the shadow keep changing for everyone. Sometimes shadow becomes so big, sometimes it becomes so small, and sometimes it is negligible. So the poet is very much curious to know about all this, that how this shadow used to form. And this beautiful poem is written by Robert Louis Stevenson. So my dear students, before we start this poet want to ask you something. Do you know, wherever there is light, someone follows you. Have you ever wondered who is he? Yes, of course, it's your shadow. Your shadow used to accompany you all the time. Okay. So, before reciting the this poem, and before explaining you this poem, I would like to explain you a few hard words which has came in the poem. So let's have a recall of these. So the first new word which has been given in the book is India rubber ball. So what is India rubber ball? A ball that can bounce very high. It means it is an India rubber ball. It's a type of a ball. Whenever we used to put it down, it used to come back so fastly. So this type of ball, it can bounce very high. बहुत high, ऊंचा, बहुत ऊंची ये बॉल जाती है. आपने बहुत बार गेम्स खेलते समय देखा होगा, आपने बॉल को नीचे मारा होगा और फिर उतनी ही हाई वो ऊपर जाती है. So this is the meaning of India rubber ball. Second one is buttercup. So what is buttercup? A yellow flower. Butter, by the name, don't think that a cup full of butter. This is not a cup full of butter. Buttercup is a yellow flower. You can see on the screen. So this is your buttercup flower. Okay. Now orange. Orange means hota hai bad. Bad means ganda. Then fourth word is orange sleepyhead. Orange sleepyhead means completely inactive. मतलब in a position of sleep. मतलब completely inactive. जब हम सोते हैं, so we also used to be aren't this sleepyhead. We also become like that. So in the poem, its meaning is completely inactive when we are not in the state of attention. So my dear little kids, let's recite and enjoy this.
I have a little shadow that goes in and out with me. And what can be the use of him is more than I can see. He is very, very like me from the heels up to the head. And I see him just before me when I jump into my bed. The funniest thing about him is the way he likes to grow. Not at all like proper children, which is always very slow. For he sometimes shoots up taller like an India rubber ball. And he sometimes gets so little that there's none of him at all. One morning, very early before the sun, I was up. I rose and found the shining dew on every buttercup. But my lazy little shadow, like an orange sleepy head, had stayed at home behind me and was fast asleep in bed.
My dear students, I hope that you all must have enjoyed reciting the poem. So now let's have an explanation of this poem. So, I have a little shadow that goes in and out with me. In this, the little boy is saying that I have one shadow, and that shadow used to go in and out with me. When I used to go inside the room, then my shadow, it also used to go inside the room, and whenever I come out from there, my शैडो भी बाहर आ जाती है. So and what can be the use of him is more than I can see. Here him is used for the shadow. यहाँ पे him किसके लिए use हुआ है? It has been used for the shadow, and this boy is saying, I don't know what is the use of always. Why all the time there is need to follow. हर समय पीछे पीछे आने की जरूरत क्या है? What can be the use of him? उसकी क्या जरूरत है? Shadow की क्या जरूरत है? अभी मैं यहाँ खड़ी हूँ, मेरे पीछे यहाँ here is my shadow. So this is also a question. What is the need of this shadow? क्या जरूरत है? So the little boy is also saying, what is the use of this shadow? Why he is all the time coming here and there along with me? And he is very, very like me from the heel to the head. And the little boy is also saying that the shadow which has been formed here, it is exactly like me. बिल्कुल मेरी तरह है. From the hill, नीचे पैर से लेके from the top, it is exactly like me. Of course, मेरी shadow मेरी जैसी तो होगी, वो किसी और की तरह तो नहीं होगी. If I am fat, then my shadow will be fat only. If I am thin, then my shadow will be thin only. So here the boy is very much curious, and he says that my shadow, it looks exactly like me. बिल्कुल मेरी तरह दिखती है from the hill till the top. And I see him jump before me when I jump into my bed. And now the little boy is saying that whenever I used to go in my bed, whenever I used to go to sleep in my bed, जब भी मैं अपने बेड में सोने जाता हूँ, then my shadow, it used to jump first. मेरी shadow मुझसे पहले पहुँच जाती. Yes, of course. मेरी शैडो है, तो शैडो आप हमेशा ध्यान देना बच्चों, that shadow used to be in front of us, हमसे हमेशा आगे रहती है. So here also the poet is saying that whenever I go to my bed, जब भी मैं अपने बेड में जाता हूँ, तो मेरी शैडो वो मुझसे पहले बेड में पहुँच जाती है. Okay. The funniest thing about him is the way he liked to grow. Do you know what is the meaning of funniest? Funniest का meaning क्या होता है? Full of humor. बिल्कुल मजाक है. और इस shadow के बारे में सबसे मजाक बात पता है क्या है? That the way it grows, कैसे ये बड़ी होती है. Sometimes it becomes so big, कभी इतनी बड़ी हो जाती है. Sometimes it becomes so small, and sometimes it is नेग्लिजिबल, कभी तो दिखती नहीं है. आपने देखा होगा कभी इतनी बड़ी बड़ी शैडो हो जाती है, जितने बड़े हम होते नहीं है उससे बड़ी हमारी शैडो हो जाती है. कभी बहुत छोटी सी हो जाती है, कभी तो दिखती ही नहीं है ना. So many times, so the funniest thing about this is how it grows. कैसे ये बड़ी होती है, इसकी सबसे मजाकिया बात है. Not at all like proper children, which always very small. Our shadow, it never used to grow like us, like children. हमारी जो shadow हमारी तरह grow नहीं होती है. Because we children, when newborn baby has been born, then he or she used to grow up slowly ना. धीमे धीमे बच्चा बड़ा होता है. 1 day का होता है, then 1 month का, 1 year का, फिर 10 years का, तो धीमे धीमे बढ़ता है ना बच्चा. But can you imagine our shadow to be like this? हमारी shadow ऐसा करती है. So here it has been said that it doesn't grow like the children. हमारी shadow it doesn't grow like the children. बच्चों की तरह नहीं धीमे धीमे बड़ी नहीं होती. It is of their own word. अपनी मर्जी की मालिक है. जब मर्जी हो बड़ी हो जाती है. Sometimes it becomes so big, and sometimes it becomes so small, and sometimes we can't even see our shadow. हम अपनी shadow को देख भी नहीं पाते बहुत बार तो. And for him, sometimes shoots are taller than the India rubber ball. And here the poet is saying that sometimes our shadow it becomes so big like the India rubber ball. इतनी बड़ी हो जाती है. And he sometimes gets so little that there is none of that him at all. और कभी-कभी shadow बिल्कुल छोटी हो जाती है कि बिल्कुल दिखती ही नहीं. Okay, so in the last paragraph what has been said that One morning, very early, before the sun, I was up. One morning, what happened? The little boy, he wake up early. वो जल्दी उठ गया. And before the sun भी नहीं उगा था. Before the sun has risen, before that only, this boy he has woke up. उठ गया. Sun के उगने से पहले ही little boy उठ गया था. I arose and found the shiny dew on every buttercup. And what I saw then, that I saw the dew. Dew means आप जानते हैं? Dew means होता है ओस की बूंदें. जब आप मॉर्निंग when you used to get up in the morning, then you must have seen the water droplets in the leaves. अपने leaves में water droplets देखे होंगे, उसको हम dew कहते हैं. Okay, so the little boy, when he woke up early that morning, so he found that there are shining dew on every buttercup. Every buttercup, I have told you, buttercup is a yellow flower. Buttercup एक yellow flower होता है. So he saw that shining dew on every buttercup. हर एक buttercup में, हर एक flower में shining dew सा पानी गिरा हुआ था. But my lazy little shadow, like an ardent sleepy head. और मेरी little shadow, मेरी जो lazy shadow है here, the little boy is saying lazy to his shadow. अपनी shadow को वो lazy कह रहे हैं, आलसी कह रहे हैं. क्यों कह रहे हैं? Because he is saying that my lazy shadow like an ardent sleepy head. Ardent sleepy head means completely inactive. मतलब मैं तो उड़ गया हूँ पर मेरी shadow morning के time में उसको दिखाई नहीं दी होगी shadow, तो उसको बोलते हैं कि my shadow doesn't woke up. मैं तो उठा but मेरी shadow बिल्कुल नहीं उठी. It was completely inactive. Had stayed at home behind me and was fast asleep in the bed. Here the boy is thinking कि I woke up but my shadow it doesn't woke up. मैं तो उठा पर मेरी shadow नहीं उठी. So he is saying lazy to him, and he is also telling that he stayed at home. वो अपने घर में ही रहा. Behind me मतलब मैं तो यहाँ ground में आ गया पर मेरी shadow bed में रही and fast asleep in the bed. और बड़े आराम से जो है वो bed में सो रही थी. अब कभी ऐसा भी होता है कि आपकी shadow, आप बाहर हो और आपकी shadow आराम से सो रही. Is it happens? होता है? No ना. So here the boy is innocent. He don't know anything. So he is thinking like this, that I woke up but my shadow it is still lying in the bed. So my dear students, I hope you all must have enjoyed this beautiful poem, and I will give you few exercises that you will note down in your notebook in a very neat and clean handwriting. Thank you so much my dear students. Stay connected, keep learning. Thank you very much.